Can you believe it, guys? World War 3. It's just around the block. Woohoo! It's almost here, guys. It's only 2 weeks away. Can you believe it? World War 3. 2 weeks away. Oh, I can't wait. Look, mate. Car's idling like shit. Let me go show you. So when it comes to this problem, can be so many things. It can be air valve, idle control valve, mass airflow sensor, throttle body. Now I've done all that. I've taken off the throttle body. Yeah, this ripped, so I think I need a new one. But this definitely needed cleaning. Bad, isn't it? Right in my face. Still same problem. You want to see the problem? Look at the size of that, man. So it's a hose. It's a hose and it's cracked. It's in such a bitch spot. You know when you got a bitch of an itch on your ass, and you can't really get it if you're in public and you don't want to, you know what I'm saying? So I fixed the transmission. Sweet. Driven it. Still drives, but it's not as much. You can't put it in neutral at lights. You know, save your transmission. It stalls if you don't give it gas. When you turn it on, when it's warm, when it's cold, it's fine. I'm not trying to really repair it yet. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see if I can get some tape on it. You know what I mean? Clean it and yeah. You see the tape? It's snapped. So, you know, that was just a quick fix, but I'm actually going to replace it now. See this? That's the thing that's snapped. Right, there's a new part. Don't look at that. That looks better, doesn't it? Look at that. Nice and black. Back to the old part. Yeah, I don't know why they made this material. Not very smart. See how easy it snaps? There you go, that's what happened when I took it off. No, that's the 4th fucking screw I've lost in this car. Oh, I see it. As long as I can see it. Yeah, I've lost 4 screws. Let's see. One in here. Lost one of these down there somewhere. What the 3rd and 4th ones are. Oh, one's in the car in the center unit. Oh, that's a big fly. See that? Well, it's starting to get off. That's connected through there, isn't it? Probably need to take that off. Should probably disconnect the battery before I start taking off electricals, so I've got to do that. Oh wait, is it negative or positive first? I think it's negative. I think. But I don't know. That's that. Now I can start taking off the electricals. Of course I can't get that with the drill. That's that. What else can I disconnect? What else is holding you in place? Super glued. Oh, fuck. There you go. Okay. Now, look at this clamp. all the way down there. Does not look easy at all. Alright, that was the most challenging job I've done on this car. And for some reason, all that was harder than fixing the transmission. Anyway, this. Finally got this off. Man, you don't want to know. I couldn't film it, that's how much back-breaking effort it took to get this off. And I thought it's going to be even harder to get it back on. So, it's off now anyway. Now we can have a little look. There you go. Fucking hell, that's bigger than I thought. This is the problem. See this? Wow. That's really bad. Oh, I got my screw back. Yeah, man. Right, so I don't have the hose at the moment. So I was just going to tape it and use this as a learning experience for next time. So I will be replacing this in the next video, maybe, if I'm not driving. But I don't want to have to put all that back on. Okay, let's patch this gaping hole. The little switcheroo, do you see that? Little. Anyway, if you looked at the last episode, you'll see the journey. In the first episode, we fully serviced the car. Ain't been serviced since 2017. It's 2025 now. The oil was black. Second episode, what did we even do? Oh yeah, I went to go drive the car, and smoke all over the engine bay. And what did I do? I had a look at the engine bay and I took some stuff off, and you should go back and watch it. But there was oil, you know, the coil packs, oil. Oh man, I don't know how the car was still driving, but there was oil in there. So I had to try and, could have been rocker cover gasket. Luckily it wasn't. You'll see what it is if you watch the second episode. You better watch it. And in the third episode, fixing the transmission. Transmission was oh man, you know when you're driving on the motorway and there's a bit of an incline and you got cars behind you, and then your car slips into neutral and you just start and you stop, and yeah, so that's what it did. It slipped gears and very bad. You know, the manual mode won't really work either. Works sweet now. Go watch that, man. Taped it up. The part's on its way. Sorry, we're replacing it soon, but this should hold up perfectly fine in the meantime. What do you think? It's a bit of silly DIY, but I think it'll be fine. Now I'm going to try and put everything back together, and it's going to be even harder than taking everything out. I'm going to have to do it again. Stupid car, man. Evil car. Managed to get it back on. I took the oil filter housing on to give me a bit more space. And you see this screw right there? Oh man. That's a makeup. A mega tube. I call it mega chillon. Size of it. So what do I do now? Gotta tighten everything and put everything back on. So let's start with this. And these two bolts. I'm gonna use the mega chillon for that. And then this one. Good job, mega chillon. Now I've got to connect everything. Connected that already. What else? Oh, that was this. Come on. Alright, I think I've got it. Okay. Oh, my knees. Not like here and here. Oof. Okay, this back on. There you go. Get the trusty dusty drill. Oh, what are these three for? Oh shit. What did I miss? Two of them is for this. What's the other one for? Oh, I missed a bolt. Oh, I've missed a bolt. Shit. Can you see the bolt I've missed? Can't matter that much, can it? Right? Oh well. What can you do? You can count how many bolts are missing. One in the head unit. One here. One of the mass airflow sensors. That mystery bolt. Oh, and there's another one. 5 in total, just sitting in this car somewhere. These two are for this sensor. Right here. That's tight enough. It's not, but oh, it should fit as well, shouldn't it? Same. Yep. Give it some spikes. I think that's it. I'm 2 bolts down. Sure it doesn't just squeeze in there. I gotta put in the new air duct. Alright, let's put this on. Oh, it's in. It's much easier getting it in than getting out. Now I need a clip for this, because they don't give me one. Because why would they? Alright, well I ain't got no clips, so that's just gonna have to be how it is. Alright, that's the climax of the video. What do you think? Yeah man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, man.